delivered a powerful wave of updates. From strategic partnerships and government initiatives to cutting-edge UAV advancements. So we have curated a selection of top 20 drone stories from the month of June only for you. Welcome back to our channel, viewers. I'm Paulami, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Here are the top 20 drone stories from the month of June. Rough and Fair secures $100 million in an all-equity Series B funding led by General Catalysts with participation from Think Investments, Amal Parekh and several family offices, taking its total funding to $145 million. On the other hand, Armory Defense Tech Startup raises Rs 13 crore in round led by GrowX Ventures with backing from Industrial 47, Antler, AC Ventures and Dexter Ventures. Indian Army signs 295 crore deal with Solar Industries and ideaForge for 450 Nagastra 1-hour loitering munition system and hybrid mini UAV systems for ISR operations under emergency procurement drive. The Drone Federation of India has successfully launched the Bharat Drone Stack initiative, and as the key convener, DFI curated a drone-based platform where Indian-made drone hardware and software were presented together. This month, 2 drones received DGCA type certifications, Agrojit 16 by Rucha Yantra and P10 Pro Agricultural Drone by Drone Anatomy. India successfully tests Rucha, a hybrid VTOL UAV developed by Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited at the Pokhran firing range. Taiwan has formally requested to procure India's indigenously developed Drone Detect, Deter and Destroy D4 anti-drone system jointly developed by DRDO, BALE and Zen Technologies. Paras Defense and Space Technologies Limited has announced the execution of a joint venture agreement with Israel's Heaven Drones Limited to develop and procure advanced logistics and cargo drones in India. Redwing, a Bengaluru-based drone logistics company, has acquired key assets from Swedish startup Arit to expand drone logistics into Europe's drone market. India's defense tech startup Sunlion Technologies has secured Rs 186 crore in Series A funding to expand EW platforms, CUAS and avionics. BharatForge Limited has announced a strategic partnership with France's Thurges Gaillard to jointly co-develop and manufacture the next-generation AROC medium-altitude long-endurance UAV in India. Nautical Wings Aerospace unveiled its latest UAV propulsion platform at Bharat Drone Stack 2025, making a significant milestone in India's drive towards indigenous innovation. India's Kalam Labs, a Lucknow-based aerospace startup, released a lightweight 4 kg UAV from a stratospheric balloon at 116,000 feet, the edge of space, which cruised at over 20 km altitude and executed a precision-guided return at a blistering speed of 800 km per hour, marking one of the highest UAV cruise altitudes globally. Bengaluru-based Flying Wedge Defense and Aerospace unveiled its FWD LM01, and Hyderabad-based firm Raghuvamsi Aerospace unveiled India's first jet-powered kamikaze UAV, Astra 100 Kamikaze drone, at the 55th Paris Air Show. IIT Kanpur is preparing to roll out Sabal 50, a multi-purpose combat-capable drone touted as India's most powerful military drone. Aerofoil Innovations has successfully completed the trial of its 100 kg payload drone, a system fully designed and engineered in-house in India. Tamil Nadu Forest Department has initiated large-scale deployment of advanced drones across 13 territorial forest circles, aiming to strengthen wildlife monitoring and forest fire control. Agrivijay has announced a strategic partnership with Airbox Aerospace to deploy agricultural next-generation drone technology aimed at transforming traditional farming practices through precision agriculture. Indian Army used custom-built drones to deliver critical supplies to Mawali village in Arunachal Pradesh's Dibang Valley district, which was rendered inaccessible following severe floods triggered by torrential rainfall and landslides. In a critical counter-narcotics operation, Border Security Force successfully intercepts narco drone carrying 7 kg ice methamphetamine near Roranwala Kalan village close to India-Pakistan border in Amritsar, Punjab. A ground-penetrating radar drone was deployed by the Indian Army to aid, search and carry out rescue operations after landslides in Lanchin, Sikkim on 1st of June 2025. We hope you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and share this video to all your drone enthusiasts, and don't forget to follow our channel, Drone Helpline.